Right now, you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that means them can't stop you. Unstoppable.
Well, good morning, beautiful people. It's another day on this earth, and I got to give thanks for being alive for my children and give thanks to all my viewers and my subscribers. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now. So, you know, once you hear my voice, then I'm here to talk about a topic. And the topic today is none other than Foota hype and this beautiful young lady on the stage who he disowned. So, let me break it down and tell you what go on. So, Spice is hosting the Needle Eye competition on stage, as she always does. You know, Spice interacts with her audience all the time. So, Spice called up a few young ladies and asked them, if your man ever tell you say you have the eagle eye, yes, why your man name, them call them man name. So this one young lady that Spice called up, her name is Stacy, and Spice asked her that said question, your man ever tell you say you have the eagle eye? She said yes. She said, who is your man? The young lady shout out Foota hype. While Spice got all excited and the crowd started to reel, Foota hype went missing and disappeared and just didn't have anything to say pertaining to the question that was asked and the answer that was given. So it went viral after Spice posted the video on her social media platform, and everybody and them grandfather take it and start run with it, saying that Stacey say Foota hype is her man. Now me I go get into it more, but before me go any further, me I go make you see the little clip where Spice post, and then me I go make you know what Foota hype have to say. Watch the video, don't go nowhere.
This is welcome to the league like this. If you have a man and you own the man, you have to know everything about the man. You sure you can pass the test? First question, the man ever tell us you have the league like?
Yes.
What your name?
David.
What your man name?
Foota hype.
It's a big son! It's a big son! What Foota there? What Foota there? Foota put us like a girl, so. Foota run out when you call him name. What you say?
You will come a blood clot food again.
Alright, so on the ESTS say, yo, Foota don't call my BBC phone again. Alright, so basically, as me said before, Foota hype dead in the party, right? Spice call up Stacey on the stage, ask Stacey if her man ever tell her she have the eagle eye. She say yes. Spice say, who is your man? She say Foota hype. And then Spice start look for Foota hype disappear. You see me I say? So Stacey get mad and said, Foota, don't call my BBC phone again. Alright, so Foota hype decides that he might go live yesterday. And Foota hype took to his platform, put Foota hype Viral Kings on YouTube, and Foota hype had an explanation. Foota hype said, listen people, more want to know say the browning is not my woman, you understand? Not that anything is wrong with her. Yes, I do know her, yes, I do communicate with her, but is not my woman, you understand? And the fans was in the chat section saying Foota hype nothing wrong with that because it's a nice looking browning and thing. Some of them are say, yo, Foota hype not even worthy talking of this because yo, nothing wrong if the girl say, yo, you're a man, nothing wrong if she own you up, and nothing wrong if you own her up. That is what the fans have to say. But Foota hype insists on saying, listen, nothing wrong if she say, me a man, but I want to let it be clear that she is not my woman and me is not her man. You understand what I say? But social media, you don't know it already. Everybody are gonna grab what them ear and run with it. And Spice is just having fun with this whole thing. You understand? It's nothing serious. Spice post the thing on her IG and say Foota hype was begging me not to post this video on my IG, but this need crowd. Alright, so Spice put it out anyway. We all know our social media go already. Alright, watch ya. Me done with this. Gone, me gone. Comment in the comment section, talk to me. Let me know if you feel like Foota hype should have this one, or if Foota hype actually get some of it. Already. You see me I say? Alright, let me know. Talk to me. Alright, matter what, it's unstoppable. Don't make nobody stop you. Done me done. Gone. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until me post another video, wanna comment on that one there too. Me gone.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.